Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a BMW M4 in Pixel Car Racer. First, head to the dealership and acquire the BMW M4. Building a top-tier M4 requires a significant investment, so aim for a budget of around $22.7 million. This will ensure you can afford all the necessary high-performance parts to create a truly dominant vehicle. To unleash your M4's full potential, focus on engine upgrades. Start with a Diamond Turbo and PRX Black components to boost horsepower significantly. Pair these with VX Concept X pistons and an SF Type R ECU for optimal engine management and efficiency. Don't forget VX open intakes for better airflow and mid-toe slicks to ensure maximum grip on the track. Beyond performance, visual customization makes your M4 stand out. Consider adding a Rocket Bunny front bumper for an aggressive, wide-body aesthetic. Experiment with unique paint colors such as a vibrant turquoise blue or a classic Millennium Jade. Crucially, set your suspension to 4.5 inches to prevent any scraping issues, ensuring smooth performance on every run. The final step is meticulous tuning. Adjust your gear ratios carefully to keep the engine's RPMs consistently within its power band for peak acceleration. For launching, use a neutral drop. Rev to redline, then engage your nitrous as you shift into first. With precise tuning and execution, you can achieve impressive quarter-mile times, often around 6.4 seconds or even quicker.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.